Dazzlers! Oh my god, I need to wash my hair. Anyway, just deal with it. So today I'm going to show you how to recreate Alia Bhatt's 10-minute no foundation routine. And I watched this video and I loved it. And she's really using some very expensive makeup products. And I'm like, yeah, most of us, we don't have access to those expensive makeup products. So what I did is I replaced those with more affordable makeup products, and yeah, I recreated this makeup look. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial, and before we go ahead, let me talk about the serum that I have been loving. Apart from makeup related questions, most people DM me asking how to get spotless skin. So the best way to get spotless skin is the Dermaco's 10% vitamin C serum. Vitamin C takes care of dullness, it reduces dark spots 2 times faster and gives radiant glow and an even toned skin. And to get the best result, pair it up with the Dermaco's oil-free daily face moisturizer. It prevents moisture loss and reduces excess oil from the skin. All products by the Dermaco are fragrance-free. Every time you make a purchase, you extend your support to more than 10,000 students. Use my coupon code SUSH2024 to get 20% off. Everything will be listed in the description. Okay, to start off with, I'll show you what she calls her routine.
What I'm calling it is my sunburnt glow.
Sunburnt glow.
I'm using Summer Fridays skin tint. I love it. It's a sheer skin tint. I'm going to mix it with this Kiko primer.
So for my skin tint, I'm going to use this Max Factor Miracle Pure. And I'm going to mix it with the K-Beauty Primer Drop. And I'm going to give it a good mix and then I'm going to apply it. And I am going to apply it with my hands.
Want the skin to kind of look like skin. I love to show my freckles off. So this is my new favorite concealer, Kosas. I love creamy concealers, but again, concealers for me is just coverage.
I'm going to use the Forever 52 Complete Coverage Concealer. This is the concealer that I absolutely love. So I'm just going to apply it. And next, I'm going to use this Jouer concealer, and I'm just gonna place little dots of this.
Cover all these spots and you will see that I go over them again and again.
So she's also using a beauty blender.
Here, it's called Beam. It's cheek color. Step is to get the cheek color in, and this is just phase 1 of cheek color. But I take a healthy amount and I make like a C curve. Okay? And the trick here is to not stop it on the cheek. Go over my nose. Okay, go back, see here. So it's actually like a W. And I also like to put it on my chin. And a little bit here. Okay, now I'm going to try and better this. And what I'm using is Milk, the contour stick.
For contour, I am going to use this K-Beauty stick. This is in the shade Caramel Focus. And then this too, she blends it with the beauty blender.
I'm just going to powder my under eye because I don't want that to lift off. Just to set that in nicely, I'm using Hourglass. It's my most favorite powder because it's like sheer, super translucent, illuminating, etc, etc.
Powder, I'm going to use the Mamaearth Glow Full Coverage Compact.
It's the Too Faced palette. Pinker times ahead. I mean, that's so cute. So I'm going to mix this, this and this together. So it's like a peachy. First I'll go in with the peachy. Okay, so I'll first go in with the peachy, then I'll kind of mix in the little more, like the deeper, dustier pink. Just dabby wabby with it. I love pink on the eyes. This lighter guy, there's like a little lighter, like a whitish color, which I'm just gonna use for my corners, just so it blends really nicely. So currently I'm really loving the Gucci mascara because it's super light and I like the brush. It doesn't get too much of the mascara on.
The mascara I'm using is the Smashbox one. And it's got a similar wand.
For the lower lid, I'm using this mascara that I saw. It's called Tower 28. This is just nice and perfect.
For the lower lashes, I found this Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. So the curl and length side is similar to the mascara wand that she's using.
My go-to is Benefit for brows.
So I'm also going to use Benefit.
I'm going to use for blush again. And I'm going to go for the dusty pink and the darker bronzer vibe.
So it seems like she's using a little bit of illuminating blush for her cheeks. So I don't have any other illuminating blush apart from this. This is from Milani. So I'm going to use this.
Hourglass contour powder. So I can get that little burntish feel. Milk highlighter. So I like it because it just gives you that little subtle glow. Rare Beauty highlighter that I think is just really gives that last final like impact. I'm gonna go with this Revlon. It's like a creamy lipstick, but it's also matte. It's a matte finish. It's got that peachy tone. Like, I like it to look like a stain. I'll end with the Rhode lip balm. Actually, I'm done. This is my sunburnt go-to night out 10-minute beauty routine.
Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you did, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also, if you want me to do any other celebrity inspired makeup look, then please comment down below and I'm gonna do it for you. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.